Hello and welcome back to my channel. Today, we're embarking on a nutty adventure as we delve into the world of wholesome snacking. In this episode, we'll be uncovering the nutritional treasures of 7 top protein-packed nuts, including peanuts, almonds, pistachios, pine nuts, walnuts, cashews, and hazelnuts. Before we dive into this nutty journey, please remember that while nuts are incredibly nutritious, they can also be allergenic for some individuals. If you have no nut allergies or any concerns about allergens, make sure to consult with a healthcare professional before incorporating these snacks into your diet. We're here to provide information and inspiration for healthier snacking, but your health and safety come first. Now, let's explore these fantastic nuts and discover the tasty and nutritious options they offer. Let's kick off our nutty exploration with peanuts. Protein content: peanuts pack a punch with 7 grams of protein per ounce. You've probably encountered these versatile leggings at baseball games, street carts, or even scattered on the ground for the neighborhood squirrels. What might surprise you is just how rich they are in protein. In fact, they contain slightly more protein than a typical egg. Peanuts offer a delightful combination of a slightly crunchy yet creamy texture, making them a fantastic choice for various culinary adventures. Whether you're blending them into homemade nut butter, sprinkling them over stir-fries, or simmering them into hearty stews, peanuts are a protein-packed addition to your snacking repertoire. For a cost-effective option, consider buying them whole with the shell on. Next up on our nutty journey, we have almonds. Protein content: almonds offer a generous 6 grams of protein per ounce. Almonds are incredibly versatile and can be enjoyed in various forms: sliced, slivered, raw, or roasted. They not only make for a delicious standalone snack, but also shine as a star in desserts, a delightful mix-in for salads, and so much more. These fan-favorite nuts also have a surprising culinary versatility. They can serve as the base for alternative milk options or act as a convincing gluten-free substitute for flour or breadcrumbs. As an added bonus, almonds are a source of bone-building calcium and antioxidants, making them an excellent choice for overall health. For an extra boost of fiber and a nuttier flavor, opt for almonds with their skin still on. Now, let's crack open the world of pistachios. Protein content: pistachios bring a substantial 6 grams of protein per ounce to the party. Pistachios aren't just an epic crowd pleaser at gatherings, they also double as a fantastic source of protein. In fact, just 1 ounce of these delightful nuts, which is roughly equivalent to 49 pistachios, provides a whopping 13% of the recommended daily protein intake. So, whether you're looking for a perfect party snack or a post-sweat refuel, pistachios have got you covered. Now, let's explore the delicate yet mighty pine nuts. Protein content: pine nuts deliver a surprising 4 grams of protein per ounce. Surprisingly, your favorite pasta sauce might be hiding a protein punch, courtesy of these tiny treasures. Pine nuts not only add exquisite flavor, but also provide a significant source of protein. In addition to protein, they're packed with essential vitamins such as E and K, as well as minerals like magnesium and iron. For a quick culinary adventure, blend them with herbs and olive oil to create a delicious batch of pesto, or toss them into meatballs for an extra crunch with every bite. Pine nuts bring both taste and nutrition to the table. Next on our nutty adventure, we have the nutrient-packed walnuts. Protein content: walnuts offer a substantial 4 grams of protein per ounce. Walnuts are not only rich in flavor, but also stand out as one of the healthiest nuts in the lineup. They are notably high in a plant-based omega-3 fat called ALA, known for its potential in fighting chronic inflammation, a factor at the root of many diseases. You can get creative with walnuts by transforming them into a protein-rich herb sauce, or simply tossing them into your pasta for added texture and flavor. These nuts are a tasty and nutritious way to elevate your dishes while supporting your well-being. Let's get nutty with cashews. Protein content: cashews deliver a delightful 4 grams of protein per ounce. Cashews, with their rich, buttery flavor, might seem almost too good to be true. But they are indeed a nutritious powerhouse. Beyond being a great source of protein, they offer a trifecta of essential minerals, zinc, copper, and magnesium, which play crucial roles in immune support and muscle function. What's more, their creamy texture can make them an excellent dairy substitute. For a delectable vegan twist, you can boil cashews with water and spices, then puree them into a creamy base for a pasta sauce. Alternatively, fold some into your next batch of chocolate protein cookies for a delightful and nutritious treat. Cashews are simply delicious. Our nutty journey comes to a grand finale with the savor-delightful hazelnuts. Protein content: hazelnuts offer a delightful 4 grams of protein per ounce. With a mild sweetness and a luxurious richness, hazelnuts are a perfect companion to chocolate. Whether you're crafting your own trail mix with a medley of nuts, bittersweet chocolate chips, and dried fruits, ideal for those on-the-go adventures like a hike, or roasting them for about 10 minutes at 375 degrees Fahrenheit to deepen their sweet, nutty flavor, hazelnuts bring both taste and nutrition to the table. Thank you again for joining us on this nutty adventure through these 7 protein-packed gems. From the familiar to the exotic, each nut brings its own unique flavor, texture, and nutritional benefits to the table. Whether you're looking for a savory snack, a crunchy salad topping, or a creative addition to your favorite recipes, these nuts have you covered. But remember, while nuts offer a wide array of health benefits, moderation is key. Enjoy them as part of a balanced diet, and be mindful of any allergies or sensitivities you may have. May your snacking be healthier, your dishes more flavorful, and your appreciation for these humble, yet extraordinary, nuts grow with each bite. If you found this content enjoyable and informative, we'd greatly appreciate your support. Please take a moment to hit that like button, share your thoughts in the comments, and subscribe for more exciting content.